bright and early start on it today. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of the Farm Life series, Farm Life Challenge. As you can see, we are hungry and thirsty. Um, Alls I have to eat really are those two. I could eat the cornmeal; it wouldn't really be worth it. It was really just those two, and this is the last water left over from yesterday, from when I started. So I don't have a lot of resources. Um, so what we need to worry about, we're able to set up our boxes, our fire. We have the mushrooms set up over here. We cleaned up all of the stuff over here, and I might mess with it and actually make it look like a livable house. But what we need right now is we need duct tape and we need polymers so that we can make a dew collector and just get constant water. We also need a watering what's it called? Uh or we need a cooking pot. So that's what we're going to be on the lookout for today. I spent most of or all night in the house. I did not want to deal with having to leave the house with the horde, or not with the horde, just with zombies. It was a very sounded like a very active night. Yeah, I turned on my block to see where it would reach. So I am gonna need to place it like out here, probably in that corner later on. But for now, I have it set up just to prevent respawns inside the house. With that 20 polymer, we only need 7 more. So we are close to getting the dew collector. What we also need to do for today is maybe find the trader. We do need to chop down all of these, what's it called? All of those in our backyard, and just find a cooking pot. Maybe be able to craft the forge so that we can craft a cooking pot, and work on getting our skills up for farming and cooking. Those are the main things. I'm not going to worry about the horde base today. It's gonna be a few days from now. Uh, Probably day 3 or 4. Yeah, tomorrow or the day after is when I'll start worrying about the horde base. But for now, we still need to get situated and set up for food and water so that we can survive. We should be able to get in a good spot by the end of the day. Hopefully. Who knows? We'll see what actually happens. Um, but I'm gonna see if maybe we can just find some houses to explore to maybe get a cooking pot, and if we're lucky, those houses will get us um uh uh books as well for crafting books. There was one cookbook that I had that I didn't read yesterday. Well, we can make red tea and we can make grilled meat, which means if we can either get a cooking pot and a grill today, we'll be set. Then we just have to worry about hunting and getting meat, which, again, my series just don't like me. I don't have any skill points. I spent all my skill points the last episode. So we're just gonna have to get going and hope to find what we're looking for. It would be nice to find the trader of this area as well. There's most likely a trader that I can go to. This is a cook's residence, which there should be, maybe will be a cooking pot here. But there will definitely be like a full, a bunch of polymers and maybe some duct tape. So this will be a good place to do. I'm gonna stay away from there because there's always a dog. There's always 1 or 2 silent dogs there. So I'm gonna stay away from that spot for now. Ooh, vehicle book. And one thing I just realized, I never loaded this. We only have 15 shots, so we gotta make them count. See, even if we're not gonna get the duct tape, there's most likely gonna be a decent amount of glue here that'll get us what we need to be able to just craft the duct tape that we need. We got plenty of polymers. Plenty of scrap plastic parts. 20 pieces of cornmeal. Are you kidding me with that? We're getting seeds, which is nice. And I should be worrying about crafting some farm plots, but I have not even thought about doing farm plots at the moment. I haven't upped my farming skill at all, which is one reason why I haven't worried about farm plots. We do have some sandwiches. Some sham sandwiches that we can also eat. But those also hurt you. So I'm trying to not eat those. But those are, I feel like that would be considered food, and so I don't know if I should be allowed to eat those. But they can be used as medicine, so which is why I gather them. Oh god. Hello, nurse. Fire deals 10% more damage. Oh, and burn wood. We got a beaker, which will help. We can use that in the cooking station. I don't think we can boil anything in it, but we can use it. Never noticed this room before. Let's put some barbed wire on our club. Never realized there was a room back there before. Alright, I'm going to run everything we just got back home, because we are over encumbered already. I should be able to make the dew collector when I get there. Let's see. Tape. I think that's all the tape we're going to need is 3. We might need 3 or 4, I'm not sure, but I'm going to make that and place that so that we're getting constant water. I'm going to have to drink some dirty water probably, and we got to figure out food. Food situation's bad. I can start eating I could eat the honey if I needed to. I don't want to, but I could if I wanted, if I needed to. Or the cornmeal. We can eat the cornmeal as well. I'm gonna store everything and we'll figure out where to go next. Alright, here we go. We got our first dew collector. We are in business. Alright, we have some eggs that I was holding on to, and I'm gonna have to eat a dirty water, or drink a dirty water, because I'm just in bad shape when it comes to water. I'm gonna go looking for, like I said, some more houses to search. I mean, if we end up being able to make the crucible, or not the crucible, the forge. If we end up being able to make the forge, that would be better. Motel probably wouldn't have what we need. Clinic, no. We need to check houses, I feel. We'll check in here. No cooking pot, but 2 cookbooks, which was nice. And some corn. So that's a little helpful. Let's check the Perkle residence. We're getting lucky finding eggs wherever we go. Okay. I can only guess that those bones mean the dog is not alive. Level 3. Two vehicle books. Holy crap. I'm gonna be able to make a bike before I'm gonna be able to make a workbench. Down here? Yeah. There you are. Shamway box. I think that stock can be used as a recipe. Let's see. Come on, cooking pot. Nope. Cookbooks, though. Cookbooks. We're getting lucky with some cookbooks, just no cooking pot. Why is the music getting epic? Toilet water, no toilet pistol. Oh, I guess there's a zombie back there. Or outside, which is why it got epic. There's 3 zombies. Oh, I remember this place. Oh, fudge. Freaking people getting out of my freaking bodies. Oh my god. And you're gonna chase me? Of all things? Okay, there we go. Let's see if we get lucky with anything we find down here. We're just gonna scrap that. Take everything else. I think I got stuck down here one time and thought I had to dig my way out. Toilet pistol? No, just toilet paper. Alright, let's make our way back home and drop everything off. And see what else we can find. There's a work truck. Maybe we can get lucky with some workbooks. No. Alright, let's see. Let's continue to look around town. Let's go up this way. I'm also, like I said, I'm trying to find the trader. Trying to see if I can find the trader. Because maybe we can just do some missions for him and get what we need. Honestly, this place might be the best place to go, is to get both workbooks and maybe a cooking pot, is to search through here. But I don't think I've ever seen a cooking pot here. But there's not really much else we can do. And we need that cooking pot. So let's do it. There is one other dog here. I just can't remember where. Oh god. Come on, how did I miss? Come on, cooking pot. No, no cooking pot. And that's the funny thing, is right now, we're not in real dire straits. We're not in a terrible position. We're in a pretty good position. It's just we're gonna keep taking damage and running the risk of getting dysentery every time we drink dirty water. And our food is in a pretty good spot with everything that we have to eat, or everything that we've been eating. It's just, it could be better. I did at one point see a chicken that we could have killed. Ooh, blue bag. What does this batter up? Learn to craft metal chain mod. Nice. Sharp sticks. So like the dysentery is what I'm worried about. If we could easily make red tea, I wouldn't worry about it at all. But we can't easily make red tea because we can't boil water without the cooking pot. And we're just getting no luck with a cooking pot. But I believe tonight I'm gonna start working on our farm because I will have the ability to. I think we're gonna be able to make some farm plots. I'm definitely gonna be leveling up farming when I do my level up. We have so much cornmeal. We're going to be able to use that to make cornbread. But I would love to be able to use it to make cornbread. But this is why I'm not too worried about food, is because we can just eat the cornmeal. Which I think is why when I first did this playthrough back in vanilla, or back in Alpha 21, I made it a rule that after a certain day, I could no longer eat single item foods, or like uncooked foods. Oh, that's beautiful. That is fantastic. That I got a helmet light mod on day 2. That's just gonna help you guys out mostly. Love that. I love that. Where's this other dog at? I know there's another dog somewhere. Just don't know where he comes from. Get honey from harvesting trees. Where you at? Ooh! Tools. So I can make stone tools level 2. Dog's gonna be somewhere. There it is. Oh no, it was a person. I'm pretty sure there's 2 dogs here. what I think I might need to do is put a point into locksmith. So that I get more workstation books. I guess there's only one dog here. Boy. Can this be used? That can be used for something. That cannot be used for something. Alright, let's, we cleared this. Let's go up this way. I know my inventory is pretty stacked, but we need to find a cooking pot. I can't waste too much time going back and forth. We either need to find a cooking pot or see if a local trader or nearby trader has one. So we need to see if we can find a trader. I haven't seen one yet. That's not him, and that's not him. So it's gonna be up here. That's a good spot. I might come back and check there next. Alright, we're gonna go through the budget burrows. I feel like this might be a great place to get a cooking pot. Because it is budget. So people would be cooking at home because they're on a budget. Use that for anything? No, let's just get rid of it. Give me something good. Workbooks. Yes, workstation books. That's what we need. We're gonna max out cooking before, like, day 3, man. Oh, there's a dog over here, isn't there? Fuck! Scared the crap out of me. I'm not being as cautious because of the because of how much honey I've got at home. Shit, we gotta clear some stuff. Green arrow. Oh, I can't get dysentery if I have vitamins. Think. Yeah, I can't get dysentery when I have taken vitamins. That's great. goodness. Where are... I need so much stuff. Oh my god. This game does not like me at all. Why are you on the ground? How'd you hit me? There's a whole door between us. I think I got them all. A cooking pot. Let's go. We can just sell that. I'll put that on. Ranger boots. Max stamina bonus. Medium armor rating. Yeah, we'll just wear that. We'll grab everything else. Oh, no. This one. Farming. Can't remember. Compares be used for something? No. Drop that. Nothing else in here? Awesome. We are in good shape. We are in wonderful shape. Let's make our way back home. It shouldn't take too long. I've got 1 ear of corn that might help reduce our encumbrance, but not really. There's not really much I want to get rid of, but I'm gonna get rid of some stuff and make my way back home as quickly as possible. Alright, everyone, we're just about home. I'm gonna head home, drop off my stuff. We do have 1 skill point, 2 skill points. So let's go into Fortitude, and let's go ahead and boost up Living Off the Land. It makes farm plots cheaper. We're also going to go ahead and do another... No, we can't do another point in Master Chef, so we're going to put another point into Strength. I believe the last Master Chef is 7. So I think we need both Fortitude and Strength to be at 7. So we're going to do our best to get those there as quickly as possible by day 10. So that we can max out Living Off the Land and cooking. Cooking will make it cheaper to cook food. Living Off the Land will make it easier and cheaper to make farm plots. So I'm going to spend the night sorting my inventory, crafting whatever I can craft for farm plots, and maybe starting to set up a farm, as well as making whatever food I can make now that I have my cooking pot. Unfortunately, a lot of this doesn't require... I thought it required... So I can do boiled meat. I can't do grilled meat because I don't have the grill, but we can make real food now, which is awesome. Let's double check our dew collector. We got 1 water in there, so we can actually start making some water as well, which is what I'm gonna do while we're here. Thank you guys so much for hanging out and being here. I really do appreciate it. If you like what you saw, please do me a huge favor. Hit the like button so the algorithm knows that people like you will like me too. Subscribe to the channel so you get updates, notifications when I go live and post new videos. Leave comments down below. Hints, tips, tricks. I respond to all comments back. Be sure to also come check me out on twitch.tv/b_walnuts, where I do video game streaming Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, as well as here on YouTube. And, yeah, thank you. Be sure to also check out the other shows I do and the other videos I make. Please be careful, be safe, don't do anything I wouldn't do. Always hug your loved ones, and of course, like always, be sure to wear mismatched socks. I'll see you all next time.